In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn any landscape video from 16:9 format into vertical 9:16 format for Shorts, Reels, or TikTok using Filmora 14. First, open your project in Filmora and load the landscape video you want to convert. Now head to the top menu and click on the project settings icon. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16 portrait. This is perfect for vertical videos. Once you apply it, your video will look zoomed in or cropped. Just click on the video in the timeline, then drag it around in the preview window to center your subject. You can also use the scale slider to zoom in or out until it looks right. If you want, you can add text, effects, or a blurred background to fill in empty spaces for a more polished look. Finally, click Export, select your desired resolution, usually 1080 by 1920 for Shorts, and save it. You're done. And that's how easy it is to turn any landscape clip into a perfect 9:16 vertical video in Filmora. If you want to try Filmora for free, I've left a free download link in the description. Go grab it and start creating your own vertical videos today. And if you want to find out about the best free video editors online that anyone can use, tap the video right here in the top right corner. See you there.